Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to invite team members on Trello. This is quite simple. First of all, we go here to the share button right there and we click on that. Then what we want to do is we can create a link by clicking on that, copy link, and then send this link to WhatsApp, maybe Slack or something. But right now what we want to do is we want to invite someone with his mail. So right now I write down a second email of mine. Like this. Then we can select observer or just a member, and then we can do share. Right now, if you can see, he entered it and we do share now again. And if you can see just right here, account not yet created. Right now, if you go to my email, I received a message just right here. So Tommy Flux invited you to a Trello board, and then go to board. Right now, we just entered this board, and if I go back to my own account, I can see just right here that Helpmeoutguides just entered right here. Now, what we now can do is go to share. We can go to help me out. And right now we can change him an admin role, member, observer role. But keep in mind, as an admin, you must have a confirmed email address. So make sure that you confirmed your email address, and after that you can change the role. Alright, this is exactly how you can invite people, and keep in mind you can also use the link. And if this video helps you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.